parents, just want to take you through a quick guide with booking your upcoming PTCs. So you'll be receiving a link like this in Toddle. Once you click on it, it will open up to this page. This is a new online booking system that we are giving a go. It seemed to have worked successfully for us in the secondary school 2 weeks ago. So you'll see three options here. Either your child is between the grade 1 to 5 homeroom sections or the pre-K to KG2, or you've got one in each. And then, of course, our primary school specialists. So if I'm going to do a practice round here to show you, for example, I will click into grade 1 to 5 because that's where I have a kid. This is all just make-believe. I go down and I know that their PTCs are either on the 23rd or on the 24th. I click on the 24th because that's the day that I have available. You only select one day that you meet one teacher at. I then go to the drop-down menu, and here will be all the grade 1 to 5 homeroom teachers down on the list. So I might, for example, decide I'm going to meet with Mr. Jonathan. I'm going to click on Mr. Jonathan because that's the class homeroom teacher of my child. And I can see that he has all these times available. Now, again, it is only for 10 minutes. And I know many of you feel that it needs to be a bit longer, but it's 10 minutes that we have available. Teachers have 20 children in their classes, and they will be going back to back with meetings and probably still not finish everyone. So you have 10 minutes. And remember, this is just to touch base. This 10-minute meeting is not where you're going to hear something for the first time. If there is a major challenge or a learning issue that your child may be experiencing, this is not the time that you are going to be hearing about it for the first time. This is when you already know about it and you're now meeting to say what we put in place, has it worked, or what are the next steps that we need to do. So you select a time. I, for example, going to select at 1:10 as a time that I'm meeting the teacher. I'm going to fill in my name that I'm going to put in. I'm also going to put in my email address. So let me just do, obviously the teacher, you've got to fill in the full name as to what you would be doing there. If there's anything specific you might want to discuss on the day, feel free to drop the teacher a note so that they have any necessary information at hand and ready for on the day. Otherwise, you can leave this section open. You then fill in your child's name. I'm going to put there Mickey Mouse. There we go. And the grade, Mr. Jonathan teaches grade 4, so I'm clicking on grade 4. And yes, let me just make sure, have I filled in all the necessary information? I've selected the correct date. I've selected the time, I've selected the correct teacher where my child is, I've put the parent's name there, my email address, I've chosen not to put in any extra notes, my child's name, the grade that they are in, and I am making a booking. Now, as this is busy taking place, you will receive a confirmed booking and an email. That email will give you the link to access your booking on the day. So if I press OK, I can now go and make a new booking. For example, I can now go make a booking with a specialist teacher. Just a friendly note, teachers will not be able to reschedule your meeting or cancel your booking. It has to come from you because you have set up the meeting. I'm going to ask a huge favor here. If you have a child in KG1 and in KG2, please do not make a booking for the Arabic teachers. Grade 1 to grade 5 students have to take Arabic as a requirement by the government. Now, I might want to make a new booking, and this is when I go to my specialist and say, okay, I might want to meet with Mr. Ken for making a music appointment, and I select my time. When I go to my emails, I can see, oh, I have received a booking here. And it's confirmed with the teacher who I'm seeing, it's the time, and on the day of that appointment, you click on join your appointment and you will automatically be taken through MS Teams to meet. So unlike previously where you used your child's account via MS Teams, this is based on the email address that you have put in that this link will be shared to. So you can access this from work so that it doesn't interrupt your work. And of course, if you would like your child to be with you, which we do very much encourage, you are most welcome to do so. Look forward to chatting to you. Remember now, a PTC is not where you are hearing news for the first time. In a teacher's world, it's almost a case of no news is good news. If you are not hearing from us regularly, in other words, you are getting marking, you are getting kids' feedback, you're getting learning snapshots, you've got your December mid-year reports coming out on the 10th of December, you're hearing from us through this platform. If there was something serious or something that the teachers wanted to discuss with you, they would have made contact with you prior. And you mustn't feel that you have to meet the teachers. It's great. I'm not saying don't meet them. So thank you, moms and dads, and look forward to your booking. And hopefully this new booking system will be easy to use for all.